The drawing activity from the prep lesson highlights an important characteristic of computers. They require very precise instructions to do even a simple task. There are different ways to give instructions depending on what the task is and who is doing it. Humans use algorithms for activities like tying their shoelaces or brushing their teeth. An algorithm is a set of step-by-step instructions to complete a task. Humans can use words or symbols to communicate the steps in an algorithm. When humans want a computer to do a task, we can't use the same words or symbols that we would give to a person. A computer needs a program. A program is a set of instructions for a computer to follow, given in a language that the computer can understand. Computers can help us perform tasks efficiently and do them the same way every time, but they need well-written instructions to do so.